All right, welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back. So we about to show y'all how to turn any image into a stencil on Procreate. Less than 1 minute. Let's go. First thing first, slide our image over into Procreate. Close that. We're gonna go to hue and saturation. Knock that color out of there. Duplicate our layer. Go straight to mode. Go straight down to divide. Then we're gonna go over to Gaussian blur. Slide over to about 4%. Now we're gonna squeeze those two. We're gonna merge those two together. Go back to curves and slide our image over, our darkness over, and boom. There go our stencil. And if you feel you need it darker than that, go ahead and duplicate it. Put it on multiply. And boom, you see it darkened up. If you hit it again, it's gonna darken up. All right, y'all, let's try that one more time. We're gonna use this face this time. So slide that over. Go straight to hue saturation. Take the color out of it. Duplicate that layer, take that mode down to divide. Go to our Gaussian blur, slide over to about 4%. We're gonna go and merge those layers together. Now go back to them curves and slide over. And look at that. We got our stencil. And like I said, if we want to darken it up, turn to divide. And now y'all, all right y'all, so if y'all learned something from the video, let me know down in the comments below how it helped you all. And if y'all need any other tips on anything tattoos, Procreate related, definitely let me know. Drop it down in the comments below, because guess what, more videos on the way. Turn up.